Hi guys, so today I'm here with Izabell.
Hello! How's it going?
Oh my god, you cow! No, I've been looking for them. I mean, like, I asked Mum to buy me a new. I asked her to buy me a new pair. I was like, I can't find them anywhere. I'm taking them back.
Yeah, you can take them. I don't like them.
What? God, they don't give you any knicker lines. I love them. I can't believe you've had them all. I was so upset I lost those knickers. Oh my god.
Anyway, we're at the beach today because whose idea was it to come to the beach?
Mine and Taya's, I guess you could say.
Yeah, and I like never go swimming, so this is like a really big deal. But I decided to go in anyway, and we swam. I'll show you now. Here to the middle, and then we swam back over here, and then we swam from here then all the way over to the end, and we walk back to here.
Step 1, strong hand. Step 2,
I want to watch how you. Okay, so you kind of go like that and the fingers like right down. Yeah, you have to fling yourself. Like speak, don't dare.
Nearly, okay, nearly. This leg, that's the first one to hit the ground. You need to fling him over your head more. He needs to get over your head. Even if it feels like you're going to topple over, you won't. Look at the clip. No joke. That bang sounds so loud.
Okay guys, so I'm wearing this top designed by Izabell, and it's like the Wild West, and she's going to come out with more in September, so if you check out her Instagram at, what is that?
Izabell O'Malley.
That Izabell O'Malley will be down in the description, and you can order some. Also has one's called Gary the Techno.
Terry the Techno Turtle.
Terry the Techno Turtle, and they're really cool, and she's coming out way more like different designs as well, so be sure to keep an eye out for that. We just stopped for a little break before we go on a hike. I obviously got like a, what's it called, a Mojo energy bar. It's by Synergy Raw Foods, because they don't have vegan ice cream here, and Izabell and Thea got, what did she get?
99.
99. With like some sort of sauce on it, but we're gonna hike up. Can't really see it. Okay, so this is actually the mountain that we're going climbing, not the small ones I showed earlier. But yeah. What'd you say?
I said you can crop me out of that. I look awful.
You'll way down. I might
You
leave
don't look awful.
this here. It's actually a bit back.
Oh, sorry, the water. Oh, I love how you do that. You're so funny. You probably can't remember this now. Taste forgotten.
That's not actually. Hi vlog. Will you hold on for a second?
Yeah, like I can take pictures. I can take
Oh, you
pictures.
can take. Here, Mullen.
Okay, well, has her GoPro with her.
Got the GoPro.
So we get some good footage.
Action shots.
Did you say what? Did you say you're using it for? Did you say you're doing a documentary or something?
Yeah, I'm gonna make a video.
And Izza's gonna making a video, and she'll also be making a YouTube channel.
And tag me Wild and Magic Rose.
Yeah? She'll be making a YouTube channel as well, doing all like traveling kind of videos and stuff, because it'd be really cool. Yeah, I was like looking at him, like, I'm about to fall.
Oh, I'm really.
brown stuff.
I'm not wearing flip-flops.
Step 2.
What are your shoes? Step 2, we wear appropriate clothing.
Step 3, bring water, enough for everyone.
This is just, why didn't I bring
Step
shoes?
4, have a charged phone in case of emergency.
Trainer shoes.
No, mine's on 10%. Is all the steps. Oh, and walk in a diagonal.
Oh yes.
Don't walk straight
Don't
up
go
because you'll kill yourself.
Into the diagonal, yeah.
We're only like this much off and I'm already out of breath. This is truly like amazing. I think I inserted the clip before this one, but this view is like next level. It's insane. And even though I like live in Achill, I don't really get up here. Like this, like the last time I was up here was like last year, so it's like amazing. Oh my god, I almost like slipped. It's like a really steep cliff. Okay, I'm just going. As you can see, it's like real steep. Oh, that's a really cool. Do you see this right now? This is unreal. It's amazing. Amazing. Look. Oh my god, this is actually like really scary. I'm gonna attempt to go over to where. Drop my glasses. Then right now, looking out there, that's America over there. Well, you can't see it, but like that. If you were to go straight over there, you go arrive in America. And this was when he told me that fact. I'm not gonna take credit for it. That's cool. So yeah, and this is faced in like what direction? West. West, yeah.
You're standing on the furthest point west. All of
Ireland.
Europe.
All of Europe, yeah. This is the furthest west point in all of Europe. So we're pretty special. Don't you think? There's a black sheep on its own. Don't know if you can see that's probably like a black dot on here. But oh, he's on its own. Can you even see that? Yeah, you can. It's like in the center of the screen, like there. Oh my god, this is actually unreal, this view. Oh, so you bent over there. We have an adrenaline junkie in our group. Literally, you're at the edge of the cliff. Oh my god, Izabell, stop, stop. You're actually insane.
That was literally the edge of the cliff. Oh wait, where'd you go?
Make a funny face of water. Come on.
Hey guys, so I'm just going to close off this vlog here. I really hope you enjoyed. Please hit that thumbs up button. Also say hi down in the comments and don't forget to hit that subscribe button and also hit the little notification bell beside it just so you're notified whenever I upload, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!